Dear children, today we will take another important topic from your textbooks, chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. The topic is Rhizobium bacteria in soil. So, right now on your screen, you can see a plant and Rhizobium bacteria. So, before we start, you should know why there is need of Rhizobium bacteria in the soil. As we all know that photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their food. But plants also require other nutrients for their proper growth, and nitrogen is one such nutrient. Though plenty of nitrogen, around 78% nitrogen is found in the air, but this nitrogen is unusable for plants. So there are two ways by which this unusable nitrogen can be converted into usable form. These two methods are physical and biological. So we here will take up only biological, and physical method you will study in higher classes, in next class. So biological means anything which is related to life. So here we know that Rhizobium bacteria, they are living microorganisms. That is why bio word is there, and they help in fixation of nitrogen. That is, they are converting the atmospheric nitrogen into usable form. That is why it is considered as biological nitrogen fixation. So these bacteria, they are found only in the nodules of leguminous plants. Now two terms are there, one is nodule and other is leguminous. So what are nodules? Here on the screen you can see dot or bead like structure which are red in color. These are called nodules. So now nodule term is clear to you, and it is these nodules which contain Rhizobium bacteria. It means this bacteria, it lives in the nodules of leguminous plants. Now question may come in your mind that what are leguminous plants? So leguminous plants are those plants which have pod-like structure, pod-like, pod-like structures in which they bear fruit. Example, all pulses, dals like your pea. You must have seen pea pod. So those plants, and groundnut of course. So those plants which have pod like structure, they all are leguminous plants. So these nodules, they are found only in leguminous plants. So here these bacteria, they are living in symbiotic relationship with this plant. Symbiotic means when both organisms mutually benefit each other. So Rhizobium bacteria is getting nourishment and shelter from the leguminous plant, whereas leguminous plant in turn is getting nitrogen, because these bacteria, they convert the atmospheric nitrogen into usable form, and this usable form is generally in the form of nitrate and nitrite, which is soluble in water. So through water, plants uptake nitrogen. Hope this topic is clear to you and this video is helpful to you. Thank you.